Best patio furniture. Are you looking to completely transform your outdoor living space into a relaxing oasis without breaking the bank? I have scoured the internet to find some of the most incredible additions for any backyard, deck, or garden. Whether you are hosting friends for an evening gathering or simply enjoying a peaceful morning coffee, these finds will elevate your experience. Let me share these amazing outdoor essentials with you right now. Product number 1. Sandmine Waterproof Outdoor Rug 5 by 8 feet, Plastic Reversible Rug, Modern Area Rug for large floor mat for outdoors, RV, patio, backyard, deck, picnic, beach, camping, black and beige. When I want to instantly upgrade the look of an outdoor seating area, laying down a quality rug is my first step. This plastic reversible rug features a highly durable polypropylene construction that easily withstands the elements. I love that it is completely waterproof, meaning you will never have to worry about sudden rain showers ruining your decor. If it gets dirty from muddy shoes or accidental spills, simply spraying it down with a garden hose restores it to pristine condition. The breathable woven design ensures that it will not damage the grass underneath if you decide to use it on your lawn. Product number 2. JKIMK Solar Globe Lights Outdoor Waterproof Cracked Glass Ball Lights for garden, patio, yard, lawn, and backyard decor. Lighting is absolutely critical for setting the perfect mood once the sun goes down, and these solar globe lights do an exceptional job. I am constantly amazed by the beautiful cracked glass design that scatters a warm, inviting glow across the surrounding area. Since they are fully solar powered, I never have to fuss with complicated wiring or worry about increasing my electricity bill. You just place them in a sunny spot during the day, and the built-in smart sensor automatically turns them on at dusk. The warm white illumination creates a truly magical and romantic environment for evening relaxation. Product number 3. Idavosic.ly Plant Stand Indoor-Outdoor 5-tier corner metal flower display holder, shelf, folding tall orchid rack for patio, balcony, porch, garden, living room, house. Black. Organizing a growing plant collection can be challenging, but this 5-tier metal display shelf provides the perfect, elegant solution. I find its space-saving corner design incredibly useful for maximizing vertical space without cluttering the floor. The sturdy iron construction is coated with a rust-resistant baking paint, so I feel completely confident leaving it outside in the elements. Its unique adjustable design allows you to easily rotate the outer legs to perfectly fit tight corners or stretch out along a straight wall. Each of the wide round trays features a helpful raised edge, preventing any accidental spills or soil messes from reaching the ground. Product number 4. Adirondack Square Outdoor Side Table 2-tier storage patio side table, HDPE end tables for backyard, pool, porch, garden. Every comfortable seating area requires a convenient place to rest a drink or a book, and this 2-tier side table fits the bill perfectly. I am thoroughly impressed by the high-density polyethylene material used in its construction. Unlike traditional wood that can splinter or rot, this eco-friendly plastic lumber completely resists severe weather, fading, and moisture damage. The 2-tier design provides an excellent amount of extra storage space for magazines, small potted plants, or other relaxation essentials. It feels incredibly sturdy and holds up beautifully under the hot sun without losing its vibrant color. Product number 5. Keter Pacific Cool Bar Outdoor Patio Furniture and Hot Tub Side Table with 7.5-gallon beer and wine cooler, espresso brown. Hosting outdoor gatherings is infinitely better when cold refreshments are always within arm's reach. I consider this pop-up cool bar to be an absolute game changer for entertaining guests. At first glance, it serves as a sophisticated rattan-style coffee table, but lifting the lid reveals a hidden 7.5-gallon cooler underneath. I can easily pack it with ice and up to 40 standard cans, ensuring everyone stays refreshed without constantly running inside to the fridge. The lid locks securely in an elevated position, instantly transforming the unit into a highly functional cocktail bar. Creating your dream outdoor space is all about finding pieces that blend incredible durability with beautiful design. I hope this selection has inspired you to upgrade your own backyard or balcony into a more welcoming and functional retreat. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing even more fantastic finds with you next time.